All right, day 3 of laundry week is all about learning to use the washing machine and the dryer. So my 5-year-old Dallas is going to help me out, and we are starting with darks. Obviously, some of this is going to vary depending on the actual washer and dryer you have, but kids of all ages can help with at least pieces of this. At this point, we talked about stains yesterday, so you should have pulled out and pre-treated anything with stains. Oh, I think we got a light that snuck in here. Let's take that out. So we probably won't have room for all of those, so you want to just put them in loosely until it's full, but you don't want to stuff them down there. You don't want to pack it too full or else they won't get as clean. Now we're going to get ready to put some detergent in. I like to use, our favorite is just the Tide detergent. I like using powdered detergent. So Dallas, look on this cup. Can you see the different numbers on there?
Yes.
What are the numbers? Can you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that's how full the load is. If you're just washing a couple things, you're only going to put up to the 1. If you're washing a little bit more, you're going to put it up to the 2. And if it's full, you're going to put it up to the 5. How full do you think this is? What number should we fill it up to?
5, I think.
I think 5 because it's a full load. So go ahead and get the
5. I would think that.
Does that look like it's about the 5?
Yeah.
Okay, now sprinkle it over the clothes. All around in a circle. Okay, now we're going to close the lid of the washing machine. We have a pretty old washer and dryer, but it still works great, so we keep using it. All right, now over here you can see these dials, load size. So this is small, medium, and super. Do you think we have a small amount of clothes, a medium amount of clothes, or a lot?
A lot.
A lot. So let's move the dial over to the super. So twist the dial. I'll help you.
I don't want to do this part.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything. It just moves it like that.
Oh, okay.
Good. Okay, and now for dark colors, you want to wash them on cold.
Why?
Because then the color doesn't fade out of the clothes. So it's on hot and cold right now. So we want to move this over to cold. Cold, cold. Good. All right, and then on this part,
I wanted this part.
Okay, I'll do this part. So this part just is we're just gonna do a normal, regular cycle, and then let's have you pull that out. Yeah, I'll help you.
Fine.
You did it.
That was not pretty scary.
No, it wasn't scary. And now the water's coming in, and it's gonna wash all those clothes. What do you think? Was that hard?
No.
No, it wasn't too hard, huh? You did great. And now we're going to wait for these to finish washing, and then we'll put them where next?
In here.
In the dryer, yes. All right, the wash cycle is done. So what are we going to do next, Alice? The clothes are clean, but they're
Wet.
They're wet, so we need to put them in the dryer, right?
Yeah.
So let's you got to open this up first.
What?
Open up this
Okay.
door.
Oh.
Nice. All right, if you want to toss them to me, I can throw them in. All right, next up, we're going to put a dryer sheet, one dryer sheet into the dryer.
I know what these things are. They're always in there.
Yep, that prevents some of the lint and stuff.
I just put it right there.
Okay, now close the door.
It's not a door.
Yeah, it's a door. It's the dryer door. Yeah, for sure.
Not really.
It's not. There you go. Okay.
It's not
Now, before
really
we
a door.
start the dryer, this is very important. We have to pull this out and clean out all of the lint that was in here from the last wash. So pull this out. Kind of pull towards yourself.
Oh.
Good. See, this is all of the lint that collected from our last drying cycle. So you want to scoop that up with your hand because then it will dry more effectively if this is clean. Okay, so we're going to turn this to high heat.
I want to turn it.
Okay, so turn it this way. So it's about right here. Good. Yep, now push the start button.
Push this way or this?
Just straight down. Just push it down.
Okay.
And it started. Nice job. And that is it for today. So get your kids into the laundry room, teach them how to use your washer and dryer, start a load, move it to the dryer. And tomorrow is going to be all about folding. So today we're going to try to get all the laundry in the house done, and tomorrow we'll fold it.